It's raining, lads. I'm sad. Just as I finished the 4th coat, it started raining. To another video. Right, today I'm using the leftover paint, Plasti Dip. Do you remember I did a video doing the badges at the back? Well, today I'm just going to paint the little badge at the front. So if you want to know how to do it, you want to learn how to do it, watch along. And I'll show you some clips after of what it looks like after. So, right, so I've put this blue automotive tape around the bottom of it, and then the masking tape with paper and stuff on the top. I do have a big plastic sheet, but it's windy and it was just blowing all over the place when I was trying to set it up. It was quite funny actually. I should have been filming it. It was like a parachute. Right, so I'm just going to set this camera up now. Got it on a tripod. So yeah, this is what I'm using. Plasti Dip, same as usual. I've had it in a tub of hot water. I'm just going to shake it and then I'll get spraying. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Clean it. What are you spraying before you start? I've used the auto glue tar and glue, and then gave it a wipe down with some citrus like bug spray thing, make it sure it's nice and clean. Right, finally let's start spraying now. Yeah, 1 light coat first, lads. Right, I'm going to wait like 15 minutes now, 20 minutes, and then put next coat on. Right, while I'm waiting, lads, I may as well show you what citrus thing I'm using. This is, what's it called? Akira brand citrus bug and grime remover. So, got this in one of them because race car boxes. So everything I've got in them boxes so far is coming in handy. So I'm going to put a link to the website, like here somewhere, or here, or yeah, here. Come check it out. Right, that's after the second coat. Ah, it's looking sick. Right, another 15-20 minutes now, and then the third coat. I think I'm going to do 4 coats, and I've not decided on whether I use the glosser yet. We'll see. Looking sick now. Yeah. Right, so listen, I put that coat were a bit heavier than the first 2. What I did on the third coat was and that one you've just watched is just make sure I get all the, like, you know, the back edges round the badge, obviously. Yeah, it is freezing outside. Right, another, might leave it a bit longer this time, probably 25 minutes. Alright. Alright, well this is, I'm just about to put the fourth coat on, fourth and last coat, right? You want sort of a nice smooth finish. Alright, that's smooth, there's no texture to it or anything. So yeah, Plasti Dip, it comes in matte. If you want it glossy, you buy that. Alright, I'm going to use this. Alright, so let's get the fourth coat on. It's raining lads, I'm sad. Just as I finished the fourth coat, it started raining. So I'm here just letting this glossy coat get a bit dry. You want to do some filming?
Hello.
Oh God, be careful.
Yes, Daddy.
I join you under my homemade paint booth. I've got this old pole stuck up, paper over the top. You see that? So it's stopping the paper. Look. Got it like all clamped up. So yeah, and you can see how windy it is. Down lads. Right, I got this pole here. It's doing its job. It's just keeping the paper from like pressing down on it, but I think we should be okay now. Let's take all this off. Yeah, that's glossy, isn't it? It's actually better than that. I think I've done the front badge better than the backs. I think I need to do all backs again now, because that is proper glossy.
1 hour later.